Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary na sokba core zone amadi eco sensitive zone haibadi buffer zone da leiba khun singi leader amadi stakeholders sing 13 January 2025 da consultative meeting Deputy Commissioner ge conference hall da DC Tamenglong SP Tamenglong amadi DFO Tamenglong ga chathaki consultative meeting aduda sanctuary na soka khun singna Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary gi damak makhoi gi lam machet ama phawba piba ngamloi haina phongdoknakhi adubu Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary project asibu pamliba mi singdi meeting aduda yaukhide meeting aduda social leader women leader amadi stakeholders singsu saruk yabikhi 36 National Road Safety Month 2025 Tamenglong da January tang tara dagi launch tawduna January 31st pau chathaki launch tawba numit aduda mass rally ama chakhi National Road Safety Month ga mari leinana hit and run motor accident compensation scheme 2022 gi maramda Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong Angsim Dangsawa IAS na press conference January tang tarahumdoi da pangthokhi Deputy Commissioner Conference Hall da Sathakiba press conference aduda DC Tamenglong na scheme asigi maramda mamutana haibikhi hit and run motor accident compensation scheme 2022 gi makhada karigumba asi anna thoklabadi leikhidraba imungna lupa lakh ani fawba benefit phangani aduga asokpa midana lupa lising yankhai faw phangani haiki Sadat Suraksha Jivan Raksha Road Safety Safety to Life haiba teamda Sathakiba 36 National Road Safety Month 2025 gi closing ceremony 31st January da Deputy Commissioner Conference Hall Mini Secretariat Tamenglong da Chunglemang Kipgen ADM Tamenglong na Chief Guest oiduna chathaki ADM Tamenglong na program aduda gari thauba singna distance maintain tawduna thawbinaba gari thauba matamda phone sijinnadana angang satra satri senior citizen amadi sonaiba mi sing leiba mafamda gari cheksinna thawbinaba gari mafam chana park tawbinaba haijaki National Road Safety Month asida Tamenglong gi theme oina Drive Safe Your Family is Waiting at Home haibagi makhada awareness program kaya District Administration District Police Tamenglong amadi District Transport Office ka khusamna duna sathaki Angjinba yai kumsi National Road Safety Month gi matangda state level quiz competition sastakhibada Trinity Public School Tamenglong gi satra ani Raunat Kumar Gupta amadi Nikhil Kumar na first prize laurakhi aduga mabanibu 76 Republic Day function da District Administration na award pibikhi 36 National Road Safety Month gi matangda DTO Tamenglong in charge Rameshwar Thodamna asumna phongdokhi
The 38th National Road Safety Month 2025 Tamenglong District ki oinasu District Administration Tamenglong amadi District Road Safety Committee Tamenglong ga loinana Deputy Commissioner Dr. L. Asim Dangswana haukiba January gi tang tarada haipo jaduna pap Tamenglong chidagi TBC Junction phawba mioi chaum henbuka saruk yaduna flagging off tawbiraga mass rally sattaga aikoi sukumba 36 National Road Safety Month 2025 asi haudoki audolaba matungda aikoi tongana program mathang lakpana special event oina motor hit and run motor accident compensation scheme sigi matangda Delo Singh district level officers yauraga with media yauraga DC Sarna Chief Guest oiduna program pakthok sagi duga special awareness drive on road safety rules implementation within the town and highways bazar yang from sing tong from sing da ekoi program sing asi pangthok ki continuous andaman pangthorok bana special public awareness campaign in bazar area and highways on hit and run motor accident compensation scheme mathang continuous adum daily ekoi awareness program asi pangthok tuna lai loinena ekoi na district level da district level quiz competition on road safety Tamenglong Higher Secondary School da category any da ekoi pangthok sagi aduda khalakba student sing dudagi student ani khatgalaga state level quiz competition on road safety sida ekoi gi Tamenglong district ki oina student anina virtual mode represent tawki maduda Tamenglong district na first prize hangwangamki aduga loina nat ngasi 31st January 2025 asida district level officials amadi district road subcommittee punna ekoi loichanbagi closing program asi respected Additional Deputy Commissioner ADM respected sir Chunglen Mang chief guest oibiraba matungda mayam puna gathering taro matungda aikogi handaki 36 national road safety month 2025 si closing program oirga sinjir